Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing to make yourself unreachable. Check that you know where airplane mode, Wi-Fi, and mobile data toggles live on your device, and close the Messenger app. Once done, make sure any unsent drafts or important chats are saved elsewhere, because the next steps will cut network access. This is the first actionable move. You will intentionally go offline so Messenger cannot receive or route calls to you. Do it deliberately. Don't just mute notifications. Now execute the core steps. Enable airplane mode or manually turn off both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This severs Messenger's ability to receive calls. Next, close the Messenger app and sign out of your account on that device. This prevents background reconnections. If you use Messenger on multiple devices, sign out remotely from settings on the Facebook account or remove sessions. Once these actions are complete, your account becomes unreachable for incoming Messenger calls. Finish by verifying. Ask a friend to place a Messenger call. If you're truly offline or signed out, their call should fail or show you offline. If calls still come through, uninstall the Messenger app and revoke active sessions from your Facebook security settings, then repeat the test. Make sure no other device, tablet, desktop remains logged in. Troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, change your password to force session logouts and then recheck reachability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.